For me, it's easier because I know what my great-grandparents stood for. Through my father, I can look back at least 100 years, through my grandfather more. And I can read books about my family, and I know how my ancestors died for something. If you don't have that, then look up to people, values that inspire you, put them into your life and live them.
Yeah, that's
and in America, it's easy because you have a very strong founding myth. And it's something that we in Europe really look up to you because you have this strong myth.
And that's an interesting point, because it's good to be reminded of that, because while I can't say that I can trace my family lineage back to 400 or 500 years and know exactly where I came from, what I can do is I can trace back to 1776 and say that our forefathers, they fought and died for our freedoms.